Good morning, Achieve Charter School. Hey, it is Friday, November 13th, and it is so good to be here today. Hey, can you please stand at attention for the Pledge of Allegiance? Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nicely done. You all can have a seat. Hey, did you notice at the start of that I forgot to go slow and then I started slowing down? Wow, if you could keep up with me with today's pledge, nice job. So we've been talking about honor this week, and Monday and Tuesday we focused on honoring people like our veterans and showing them this really huge level of respect like you would show someone who's very important. And then yesterday, on Thursday, Mrs. Tickle introduced this idea about if you want to be honorable, you have to keep your word, right? And so then you start getting these ideas like, wow, I could be honorable and people would actually show me a high level of respect, but I need to act a certain way. I want to put that thought in your head today, and we're going to talk about that. If you want people to honor you, how should you act? Like Mrs. Tickle started with yesterday, you keep your word. If you say you're going to do something, I promise I'm going to take out the trash. Then you actually take out the trash, right? Let's look at a few other things real quick. So honor, it means living by the virtues. Any virtues you can think of. In fact, we'll ask a question here at the end, and any virtue would probably be the right answer. So honor means living by the virtues. It's showing great respect for other people around you. If you want people to honor you, then show everyone respect. Obviously, the one Mrs. Tickle talked about. When you're honorable, you keep your word. If you say you're going to do something, do it. Here's a couple new ones. You do the right thing regardless. That means no matter what, it doesn't matter what other people are doing. You still do the right thing. And then last, it says honor is the path of integrity. And actually these last two, doing the right thing regardless of what others are doing, and integrity, they mean the same exact thing. Integrity means doing the right thing even when nobody's watching. So here's the question I have for you today. Like I said, any virtue could be the right answer to this question. There can also be a whole lot of other right answers. I want you to raise your hand and tell the class, how do you want to live, or something that you want to do that you think will make people honor you and respect you? So I'm going to start off. I have a couple in mind. Number one, I want to keep my word like Mrs. Tickle said yesterday. So if I say I'm going to do something, I want to actually do that. So that's number one. Number two, I want to show everyone a huge level of caring and just show love and caring for everyone around me. And I think if I do that, then people will honor me. So I want you to talk about that with your class today. What are you going to do so that people will show you respect and honor? Have a great day, Achieve. Have a great Friday and have a great weekend. See you later.